Imagine stepping into your garden. The air is fresh, and the world seems to slow down as you take in the vibrant green around you. The sun is warm on your face, casting a golden glow over everything it touches. You feel a sense of peace and contentment. You reach out to touch the velvety leaves of basil. The texture is soft and inviting, a promise of the flavors to come. The aroma fills the air, a fragrant reminder of the culinary delights that await. It's a scent that invigorates your senses and sparks your creativity. This is the magic of fresh herbs. Each plant, with its unique scent and flavor, adds a special touch to your dishes. Fresh herbs can change your cooking. They bring bright flavors that elevate even the simplest of meals. Imagine a salad with freshly chopped basil, or a soup with a hint of thyme. They make your food smell wonderful. The aroma of fresh herbs wafting through your kitchen can make your mouth water and your heart sing. They connect you to nature. Growing your own herbs is a rewarding experience that brings you closer to the earth and its bounty. Start with a few simple herbs. You don't need a large garden to begin. A few pots on a windowsill or a small patch in your backyard is enough. Basil, mint, and thyme are easy to grow. These herbs are hardy and forgiving, perfect for beginners. They thrive with minimal care and provide a bountiful harvest. They can thrive in pots or in the ground. Whether you have a spacious garden or a cozy balcony, these herbs will flourish and bring greenery to your space. Soon, you will have more than enough for your kitchen. Imagine the joy of picking fresh herbs right before cooking, knowing that you grew them yourself. It's a cook's delight, a simple pleasure that enhances your culinary creations and connects you to the natural world. Growing your own herbs is easier than you think. It's like having a little bit of magic right outside your door. Choose herbs that you love to eat. Basil is a favorite for a reason. It is delicious in tomato sauces and pasta dishes. Mint adds a refreshing touch to drinks and salads. Thyme is perfect with chicken and roasted vegetables. These herbs need plenty of sunshine. They also need well-drained soil. With just a little care, your herbs will flourish. Ready to start your herb garden? It's an adventure that's good for the soul. Choose a sunny spot for your herbs. Fill pots with potting soil or prepare a small patch of ground. Plant your herb seeds or seedlings. Water them gently. Soon, you'll see tiny green shoots emerging from the soil. Harvesting your herbs is simple. Use scissors to snip off what you need. Your herbs will keep growing, giving you fresh flavors all season long. Now comes the fun part, using your fresh herbs in the kitchen. It's like painting with flavors. Add a handful of chopped basil to your tomato sauce. Let the flavors meld together. Muddle mint leaves with sugar and lime for a refreshing mojito. Sprinkle thyme over roasted potatoes before they go in the oven. Experiment with different combinations. You'll be amazed at how fresh herbs can transform your everyday dishes. Fresh herbs do more than just enhance the flavor of your food. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They are good for your body and soul. Basil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Mint can aid digestion. Thyme is a natural source of antioxidants. By incorporating fresh herbs into your diet, you're not only making your food taste better, you're also nourishing your body. Imagine stepping into a garden where every plant tells a story, where each leaf and petal contributes to a rich tapestry of flavors and aromas. This is not just any garden. It is a sanctuary for the senses, a place where culinary dreams come to life. Imagine the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes with fresh basil. The sweetness of the tomatoes kissed by the sun, perfectly complemented by the aromatic, slightly peppery basil. This combination is a classic for a reason, evoking memories of summer days and family gatherings around the dinner table. Picture the invigorating aroma of mint tea on a cold day. The steam rising from the cup carries the fresh, cool scent of mint, instantly refreshing and soothing. It's like a warm hug in a cup, perfect for those chilly evenings when you need a little comfort. This is the sensory experience of cooking with fresh herbs. The sound of the knife chopping through the leaves, the burst of fragrance as the herbs are cut, and the vibrant colors they add to your dish. Fresh herbs elevate any meal, turning simple ingredients into a gourmet experience. Each herb has its own unique flavor profile. from the sweet and slightly peppery notes of basil to the cool and refreshing taste of mint, and the earthy, savory essence of thyme. These flavors are the building blocks of countless recipes, each one bringing its own character to the table. Basil is sweet and slightly peppery. It's a versatile herb that can be used in a variety of dishes, from Italian pasta sauces to Thai curries. Its bright green leaves are not only beautiful but also packed with flavor, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Mint is cool and refreshing. It's perfect for adding a burst of freshness to both sweet and savory dishes. Whether you're making a mojito, a mint chocolate dessert, or a lamb dish, mint brings a unique, invigorating flavor that can't be matched. Thyme is earthy and savory. It's a staple in many cuisines around the world, known for its ability to enhance the flavors of meats, vegetables, and even breads. Its small, delicate leaves pack a punch, adding depth and complexity to any dish. These flavors blend together in a symphony of scents and tastes, creating dishes that are both delicious and memorable. When you cook with fresh herbs, you're not just adding flavor, you're creating an experience. Each bite is a journey, a celebration of nature's bounty and the artistry of cooking. So next time you step into your garden or visit a farmer's market, take a moment to appreciate the incredible variety of herbs available. Experiment with new combinations, and let your senses guide you. After all, cooking is not just about feeding the body, it's about nourishing the soul. One of the greatest joys of gardening is sharing your harvest with others. Imagine the delight on your friends' faces when you give them a basket of fresh herbs. Invite friends over for a meal featuring your garden bounty. Share your favorite recipes and cooking tips. Spreading the love of fresh herbs is a wonderful way to connect with your community and share the joy of homegrown food. In a world of processed foods, growing your own herbs is a small act of rebellion. It's a way to take control of your food and connect with nature. By growing your own herbs, you reduce your reliance on supermarket produce. You eliminate the need for packaging and transportation. It's a sustainable choice that benefits both your health and the planet. In the rush of modern life, it's easy to lose touch with the natural world. Our days are filled with constant movement, deadlines, and the hum of technology. We often forget to pause and appreciate the simple yet profound beauty that nature offers. The concrete jungle can make us feel disconnected from the earth beneath our feet and the sky above our heads. Gardening brings us back to our roots. It's a practice that has been part of human life for centuries, a way to cultivate not just food, but also a sense of peace and accomplishment. When we dig our hands into the soil, we are reminded of our connection to the earth. The act of planting seeds and watching them grow is a powerful metaphor for life itself. It reminds us of the simple pleasures in life, the scent of fresh herbs, the vibrant colors of blooming flowers, and the satisfaction of harvesting what we've grown with our own hands. These small moments can bring immense joy and a sense of fulfillment. They remind us to slow down and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. The act of planting a seed, nurturing its growth, and harvesting its bounty is deeply satisfying. It's a process that teaches patience, care, and the rewards of hard work. Watching a tiny seed transform into a thriving plant is a reminder of the potential for growth and change in our own lives. Each stage of the plant's life cycle offers its own lessons and rewards. It's a reminder that we are part of something bigger than ourselves. Gardening connects us to the cycles of nature and the rhythms of the seasons. It's a way to engage with the world around us in a meaningful and tangible way. Whether we are gardening alone or as part of a community, we are participating in a tradition that spans generations and cultures. So start your herb garden today. It doesn't matter if you have a sprawling backyard or just a small windowsill. Herbs are versatile and can be grown in a variety of spaces. Starting a herb garden is a simple yet impactful way to bring a bit of nature into your daily life. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to reconnect with the natural world. It's a journey of flavor, wellness, and reconnection with the natural world. Fresh herbs can transform your cooking, adding vibrant flavors and aromas to your meals. They also offer numerous health benefits, from boosting your immune system to reducing stress. By growing your own herbs, you are taking a step towards a healthier, more mindful lifestyle. Embrace the journey and let nature be your guide. Happy gardening!